Ooh, we've got something new. So, yes, I've opened it, but I haven't opened it, okay? So, this is my creative team package from Scrapbooking Creations, and we have something new this month. I'm very excited. So, this month, we have received what is called No Pattern Paper Mystery Bulk Pack. I'm very excited. I love a good mystery pack. I'm excited. So, as the name suggests, there's no pattern paper in here. We all have plenty of pattern paper, don't we? Me, I actually use a lot of cardstock, but I do have a lot of pattern paper, including a lot of Scrapbooking Fantasies pattern paper left over from past creative team kits. So, these are bulk packs, as it suggests, of no pattern paper, but there are plenty of other goodies in here. So let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look together. See, I haven't opened it yet. Oh, how exciting. So we've got some chipboard. Oh, that's going to be fun to play with. There's a really cute little mermaid flare here. Can you see that? Look at these. Oh, look at the mermaids. Oh, that's going to be so much fun. Look at that. So we have two Creative Cuts packs. We'll open them in a minute. Oh, I'm sensing a theme and I'm very excited. We have a title, mermaids. We've got some more chipboard. Oh, aren't they fabulous? Oh, I like that. Oh, these are pretty. Look, we've got another flare over here. Oh, look at this. So pretty. What collection is this? This is fabulous. So we have some rice collage paper. I have a few of these, actually. Got this nice pink wood grain. I do love the pink wood grains. We've got some fussy cuts. I love these. There's another one here. So these are good when you're just watching TV or something. Sit down, fussy cut them out and have them ready to go. Look at that. I love bright colours and bright elements. So this, I'm very excited. This is going to be a lot of fun. And then we've got, oh, aren't they gorgeous? Very pretty flowers. And then we have some of the printed vellum sheets. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Hang on. Look at that. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, what am I going to do with that? So many ideas. And then we have a lovely mermaid. Gorgeous. Oh, and then we have a another fussy cut piece. I do love the coloured wood grains. I think they're really great. And then to match the mermaid theme we're having, we have some really cool hearts. So, like the name suggests, no pattern paper mystery bulk pack. I'm very excited with mine. I cannot wait to start creating with this and sharing with you what I make. Let's get started.